Hi everyone, my name is Bharti Chaudhary and today we are going to discuss question number 8 of the graded assignment sheet of week 6. So question number 8 says that a sheet ABCD of dimension 10 feet into 3 feet is shown in the figure A 6.1. A box is made by removing two squares of equal dimension AEFG and DHIJ and two rectangles equal dimension BKLM and C and OP respectively. If a cubical bar of the soap has the volume 5 minus x cubic feet for x lesser than 5 and x not equal to 1.5, then choose the set of the correct options. So this is the figure that is given, and here from this rectangular part has been made a cutout which is having the length 5 and its breadth is x, and one square whose length is given x. So basically it is going to form a cuboid, and if you um, make a box like this, then you will be observing that. So when you make such cutouts that two squares have been made cut and two rectangles are been cut out, then this is going to take a shape of a box. So let's find out the length, breadth and the height of this box. So for finding out the length, let us assume that this is the length of the box that we are going to obtain. Now what is the value? This is your x and this is your 5. And the total measurement from here to here, it has been given 10 feet. So you can see 10 minus 5, that will be 10 minus 5, and this one again minus x, which will give you 5 minus x. So I have obtained my length, that is 5 minus x. Now let's obtain the value of breadth or width. This is the width that the box have. So again you observe that this is my x and this is again my x, and the total width that has been given is 3 feet. So how we will be calculating this width? That will be 3 minus x, which will be nothing but 3 minus 2x. And what is the height? Just imagine, this will get folded and this will get up. So this x is nothing but it is representing your height. You can take a cardboard, you can make such cutout, and you can try to make a box out of it. From that visualization, you will be observing that the height that you are obtaining for this box will be equal to x. You can try it by yourself. If you are not understanding, you can take a cardboard and do this one. So let's see that what are the things that we obtained. The length that we obtained was equal to 5 minus x. The width that we obtained was 3 minus 2x. Height that we obtained was equal to x. Now let's see the option what it is asking. The volume of the box we have to find. Let's check out what will be the volume. Because this is taking the shape of a cuboid, so volume of the box will be equal to length into breadth into height. We already have obtained the equation, so let's substitute 5 minus x into 3 minus 2x into x. Do the calculation. Multiply this. This gives 5 minus x into 3x minus 2x square. Simplify it more. This gives 15x minus 10x square minus 3x square plus 2x cube. Simplify it. This will give you 2x cube minus 13x square plus 15x. So the volume that we have obtained for this box is equal to 2x cube minus 13x square plus 15x. Let's check whether this equation is present or not. Equation 1 does not have is the required equation because we observed that this is not matching with the equation that we obtained. So option 1 is incorrect. But let's observe option 2, 2x cube minus 13x square plus 15x. That is the same answer that we have obtained. So option B is absolutely correct. Moving on to the next one. If x is equal to 0.5, the volume of the box is 5.625 cubic feet. Okay, let's substitute the value. This will give you 2 into 0.5 whole cube minus 13 0.5 whole square plus 15 into 0.5. On further simplifying, we get the value for this one. Is equal to 4.5 cubic feet. So when you substitute the value of 0.5, this is not equal to 5.625. So this option is also incorrect. Moving on to the third one, last one. At most 2x 1.5 minus x bars of the soap can be placed in this box. So for finding out the number of boxes, you are going to divide the complete volume of the box by one single volume of the soap, which is given, that is 5x minus x. Let us divide this given equation by 5 minus x, and let's obtain whether this is the at most soap that we are going to get or not. So let's divide it. This gives 2x cube minus 13x square plus 15x divided by minus x plus 5. Multiply with 2x square. This will give you 2x cube minus 10x square. Subtract it. This will give you minus 3x square plus 15x. Again further multiply by 3x. You are going to get minus 3x square plus 15x. Subtract it. You will get the quotient, that is 2x square plus 3x. Now take your here minus will be present. Sorry, here minus will be there. Take out 2x common. You are going to get here 1.5 minus here x. So yes, the at most soap that can fit in this box is 2x into 1.5 minus x. So this option is absolutely correct. So the correct option that we have obtained is B and D. I hope I have made this question very clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I'm not well from 2-3 days, so I'm not able to make videos and solution. I'm extremely sorry for that. But till tomorrow, I'll try to complete all the solution. If you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment section below, or you can also contact me in my mail ID provided in the description. Also follow me on Instagram, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and we will meet tomorrow with a new question. Thank you.